Today we're gonna eat with our hands. I just feel very awkward eating Indian food with my hands in public, so I'm making this quick tutorial mainly because I'd love to see it become as common as using chopsticks in the West. So I make some crispy potato sabji because I love to eat this with dal and rice with side of a chili pickle. So with clean hands, use your dominant hand to rip a bite-sized piece of roti or naan off, and try not to use your left hand and it should remain clean and it's your free hand. And now for the rice, you want to mix everything in the rice very well so that you can easily make a little lump and push it in your mouth with thumb.